Do you focus on suppliers or do you focus on brands?
The advice that I've been giving lately is to focus on brands, right? So my advice to people is always like, get on Smart Scout, get into that subcategories tool, find a couple of niches that you want to poke around in, and find the brands that are already selling well in those niches that look to be reseller friendly, and literally just call the brand. And if the brand turns you down, ask who their distributors are. And another thing you can do is literally just call the brand and don't even ask to open a wholesale account. Just say, hey, I'm Corey. I'm a retailer. I'm based here out of Charlotte, North Carolina. We're interested in carrying your products. Do you mind pointing me towards an authorized distributor that services my area here in Charlotte? And so when you take that approach, instead of just coming at them asking for a wholesale account, a lot of times they're like, oh yeah, that's XYZ. Sometimes they'll just tell you to call a company. Sometimes they will email the rep and CC you on the email. So basically walking you in the door to that new supplier. And, worst you're going to get is a no, but you do that 100 times and you're going to be drowning in really, really good opportunities. Nobody has yet to take me up on that. I'm like, if somebody does it 100 times, like come back and report back and tell me how many leads you have.